Outdoor meals become memorable when the right tools, techniques, and planning turn simple ingredients into satisfying campsite experiences for everyone. Best Camping Cooking combines portable gear, smart prep, and efficient heat control to deliver reliable flavor, convenience, and enjoyment anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Coleman Triton. The Coleman Triton is a dependable 2-burner camping stove designed for campers who value consistent performance and straightforward usability. With a total output of 22,000 BTUs, this stove delivers ample power for boiling, frying, and simmering full campsite meals without long wait times. The independently adjustable burners allow precise temperature control, making it easy to cook different dishes simultaneously. Integrated wind guards play a practical role outdoors. The chrome-plated grate is both durable and removable, simplifying cleanup after cooking greasy or messy meals. Designed to accommodate both 10-inch and 12-inch pans, the Triton offers flexibility with common camping cookware. Portability is another strong point, as it transitions easily between campsites, picnics, tailgates, and roadside stops. Overall, the Coleman Triton stands out as a reliable, no-nonsense camping stove that balances power, durability, and ease of use for casual campers and frequent outdoor cooks alike.
Number 2. ODSD Stand. The ODSD Stand camping stove focuses on convenience, safety, and portability without sacrificing cooking performance. Its standout feature is the magnetic closure design, which provides quick, secure opening and closing while reducing setup and pack-down time. This thoughtful detail is particularly useful in outdoor environments where efficiency matters. Equipped with a windproof shield, the stove maintains stable flames and helps prevent flare-ups, while also offering added protection from oil splashes during cooking, making it versatile for a range of camping recipes. Each burner adjusts independently, giving better control over heat output. Despite its power, the stove remains compact, folding down to a small footprint and weighing under 4 pounds. The included carry bag enhances portability, making it suitable for hiking trips, tailgating, emergency kits, or car camping. The ODSD Stand is a practical choice for campers seeking a lightweight, powerful stove with modern design features that improve safety and usability.
Number 3. Gonex Patio. The Gonex Patio camping stove is designed for outdoor cooks who want versatility built into a compact, portable system. Its foldable structure, integrated handle, and manageable weight make transportation and storage simple, even when space is limited. What sets this stove apart is the included cooking accessories, featuring a Teflon-coated griddle and cast-iron grill grates, which expand meal options beyond basic boiling. With 2 burners producing a combined 16,000 BTUs, the stove heats efficiently while remaining fuel-conscious, allowing users to cook multiple items at once. The Piezo ignition system eliminates the need for lighters or matches, providing quick and reliable starts with simple dial control. Gonex recommends cookware sizes that ensure even heating and protect the stove from overheating, reflecting thoughtful design considerations. The heat-resistant coating, rated up to 500 degrees Celsius, enhances durability and makes cleaning easier after use. Overall, the Gonex Patio is well-suited for campers who want an all-in-one solution that supports grilling, frying, and general cooking with minimal setup and dependable performance.
Number 4. Hisencn Piezo. The Hisencn Piezo camping stove offers a comprehensive outdoor cooking solution built around power, flexibility, and durability. Its dual stainless steel burners generate a combined 20,000 BTUs, enabling fast heating and consistent temperature control for everything from light simmering to high heat searing. One of its most practical advantages is dual fuel compatibility, supporting both propane and butane. This flexibility allows users to adapt fuel choices based on availability, trip length, or portability needs. Kettle and lidded pot reduces packing complexity and ensures users have the essentials ready for diverse meals. Constructed from stainless steel and aluminum, the stove and cookware are designed to withstand outdoor conditions and repeated use. Heat-resistant handles and sturdy aluminum knobs enhance safety, preventing deformation or melting under high temperatures. By combining strong burner performance with a complete, organized cooking kit, the Hisencn Piezo is particularly appealing for campers who prefer a streamlined setup without compromising cooking capability or durability.
Number 5. Gas One GS-3400P. The Gas One GS-3400P is a compact dual-fuel camping stove built for flexibility and safety. Its ability to operate on either butane cartridges or propane cylinders gives users valuable fuel options, especially when traveling or camping in varied locations. The included propane converter regulator simplifies switching between fuel types. Ignition is handled through an automatic piezoelectric system, pressure sensor cartridge ejection system, and gas flow cutoff mechanism for butane use, which activate if irregular pressure is detected. These protections add peace of mind, particularly for less experienced campers. Lightweight and easy to operate, the GS-3400P fits well into emergency kits, short camping trips, or minimalist setups. It delivers dependable performance in a straightforward design, making it a solid option for users prioritizing safety, fuel versatility, and simplicity.
Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.